Question 20, part A. Complete the table of values for y equals x squared plus 2x minus 5. So I've got x values here, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. And I have to find these values. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to rewrite my equation. Where it's got x, I'm going to put brackets around it. So y equals bracket x squared plus 2 bracket x minus 5. So you can see I've got put brackets around it, x, so I've got that. Now I'm going to, where it says x, replace it with each number. Okay, so as an example, I'll do a positive and a negative. So on my calculator, I'm going to be writing this out. I'll show. So if I take 2 first, where it says x, I'm going to replace it with 2. And then I get my calculator and I type this in exactly. So I've got brackets 2 squared, brackets 2 close bracket squared, plus 2 bracket 2 close bracket, and then take away 5 equals to 3. So I'm going to write that 3 here and 3 there. So that's a positive number. Now I'll do the same thing with minus 4 to show you the same thing. So y equals, where it says x, it's minus 4 squared plus 2 bracket, the x is now minus 4 close bracket minus 5 equals, and again I do the same thing. I put this into my calculator, bracket minus 4, start again, bracket minus 4 close bracket squared, then I've got plus 2 open bracket minus 4 close bracket take away 5, and the answer is 3. So I'm going to write 3 here. Now in this, so what I'm going to do with the others, I'm not going to write them out, but where it has a number, I'm going to replace it with the x value. So I'm just going to type it in the calculator and you will see me do that. So I've got bracket minus 3 close bracket squared plus 2 bracket minus 3 close bracket take away 5 gives me minus 2. Write that in there. Now I'll do the same thing with the next one, bracket minus 2 close bracket squared plus 2 bracket minus 2 close bracket take away 5 gives me minus 5. And the next one, same thing again, open bracket minus 1 close bracket squared plus 2 open bracket minus 1 close bracket take away 5 equals minus 6. I can also use my arrow buttons rather than retyping everything. So I'm going to use my arrow buttons this time, and I'm going to delete where it says my x number. So minus 5, I'm going to delete it, minus 1, and change it to 0. Saves me from typing up everything, 0. Then I press the equals button, so that gives me minus 5. And then same thing again, this time I'm going to replace 0 with 1. And if you're not confident using your calculator, you can just type up everything again, and this gives me minus 2. And if I look at my information, I've got y equals x squared. X squared means it's going to be a U-shaped graph. And if I look at my numbers, 3 here, 3 there, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5, and 6. So there is some form of symmetry.